Imagine waking up each day with skin that feels truly firm and vibrant. We all want that youthful glow, don't we? But what if I told you the secret to truly tight, radiant skin isn't found in expensive serums or complex procedures? What if it's something you throw away every single day? Yes, it's true. Dermatologists, the skin experts, often know about simple, natural remedies that remain surprisingly hidden. Today, we're uncovering one such powerful, overlooked ingredient. Get ready to transform your skin using a discarded item from your very own kitchen. We constantly battle time, don't we? As we age, our skin naturally loses its firmness. Collagen and elastin, vital proteins that keep our skin plump, begin to diminish. Lines appear, pores seem larger, and that youthful bounce starts to fade. It's frustrating, isn't it? You spend a fortune on creams promising miracles, yet results are often temporary. Procedures are costly, and the commitment overwhelming. Have you ever felt lost, wondering if a truly effective, yet gentle solution exists? Many believe youthful skin requires a hefty budget. This keeps us trapped, searching for the next big thing. But what if the path to firmer skin was surprisingly simple, right under your nose, waiting to be discovered? Our bodies respond beautifully to natural compounds. Think about vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in whole foods. These aren't just good for internal health, they are potent for your skin too. Many natural ingredients stimulate collagen production, reduce inflammation, and provide a protective barrier. The challenge? Knowing which ones truly deliver. And here's the twist. The most effective are often the least glamorous, the ones we overlook. You see, some powerful skin-tightening agents aren't synthetically produced. They come straight from nature. These natural powerhouses nourish skin cells, promoting regeneration and restoring elasticity from within. But which humble item holds this incredible potential? In a moment, you'll discover exactly what it is. Ready for the revelation? The kitchen scrap dermatologists surprisingly advocate for tighter, firmer skin is potato peels. Yes, potato peels. Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me. The science is compelling. Potato peels are packed with potent antioxidants, like catechol, known to reduce hyperpigmentation. They also contain vital starches, vitamins C and B, and minerals like potassium. All are crucial for collagen synthesis and overall skin health. The natural starch creates a subtle tightening effect on the skin when applied, visibly reducing pores and fine lines over time. So, how do you harness this secret? Wash your organic potato peels thoroughly. Gently rub the inside of the fresh peel directly onto your clean face and neck, focusing on areas needing firmness. Leave the juice on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Do this a few times a week. You'll start noticing a difference. The simplicity is astonishing, isn't it? So there you have it. That seemingly worthless potato peel, often discarded, holds a powerful secret for your skin. It's a natural, cost-effective way to fight signs of aging and achieve firmness. Now, it's your turn to try this amazing trick. Will you give potato peels a chance to transform your skin? Tell us your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this secret helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing natural beauty tips.